Okay. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
She wakes up early every morning just to do her hair now because she cares, y'all.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for tuning in. If you're old, thanks for coming back. So today I'm going to be basically taking down my lock style. I've had it in for about 2 weeks, but you know, I'm just ready to get that crinkly. I'm ready to just take this down because my scalp has been itching a lot. But yeah, I mean, I could go possibly like another week or two, but it's been like about 2.5 or 2 weeks and some change since I got it done. I went to Kentucky to this person named Miko, and she did my hair amazingly. Probably, I ain't gonna even stunt, probably hands down the best person that has touched my head so far. Like, I guess one of the best persons to touch.
Who's the best?
You.
Yeah.
So let's get into it. Baby! Alicia! Yeah? I'm ready. You blew out smoke because there was what I to do.
It's me.
Hey, baby.
Can I use the thingies? Oh, you want me to just take the braids out that you already took down?
Mm-hmm. Y'all see that? gonna slowly walk out. Wow, that's crazy. Is this a rubber band here? It sure is. All right. Oh, okay, okay. I got a little lane. Hold on, let me let y'all see that. I know y'all can't really see it like that. Y'all can't really see it like that because my hair, it's laying on a dark object, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why it look like my hair got built up, but it don't. My hair, it feels amazing. So yeah, this is it. This is the overall look pretty much. Let me go ahead and take a couple pictures real quick. Flick it up. Now, since I took down my style, I'm gonna just moisturize it. I'm gonna go in. This is my holy grail. The Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. This is my holy grail. So I usually spray this right before I put on one of my favorite oils. And I do it from the rooter to the tutor, because you can't forget about your your locks that are already matured, in my opinion. Like, if you're gonna do the whole thing, do the whole thing. Today, I'm gonna be using the Better Braids hair and scalp oil. It's just easy to apply. Usually I'll go in with my oil that I created and it'll be decent, but I just don't want to go through the struggle of trying to do the nozzle through everything. I just spray it everywhere and then go crazy. I don't really use too much oil. I probably do it like 2 to 3 times a week just to make sure that, you know, I like to pretty much listen to my body. If my hair is telling me, okay girl, we thirsty, I'm going to give it more oil, more moisture. But if my hair is like pretty much hanging on to everything that I gave it over the next couple of days, then I probably will be a little more lax and do only twice that week. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It wasn't hard to take the style down at all. It was actually pretty decent, but I love it. I love the outcome. It still look clean, although my line didn't grow back in 3 freaking days. My girl like it when I wear my hair to the side, so. All right, we've come to the end of this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.